Hello, good evening, friends. I'm Archana Krishna here, counseling psychologist, hypnotherapist, master NLP trainer. So, today we are going to talk about one more important topic about parenting. So, till yesterday, we were covering about, how parenting actually goes. Is it a molding clay or like planting something and growing up like a plant? Or we were talking how hard we need to be with kids and all these things. So, friends, today we will see how to frame rules for our kids. Most of us might be having a query that if we hold our kids too tight, they feel so suffocated. If at all we leave our kids, they'll just fly away and they'll be not in our control. So, how to frame rules, how to control them, right? So, my friends, while framing the rules, first we need to see the parents. We need to consider the parents who are involved in bringing up the child. So, always the biological parents, that the father and mother are just not the parents who involve in bringing up a child. If at all they are living in a joint family. When kids are living in a joint family, the grandmother, grandfather, or paternal uncle, someone is involving in grooming up the child or they're bringing up, then we need to consider even their decisions. For example, if at all mother feels like, every day at 12:30, my child should have lunch. Now, someone is also involving in grooming up the child, in bringing up the child. So what happens if the child is not interested to have lunch at 12:30? He'll just go and pamper it with their grandma, grandpa, and they come and involve saying like, no, aaj to chhod do, like leave it for today. We will see from tomorrow. So what happens here? There will be no strict, determined or confirmation that mama framed this rule and we have to be with this rule, right? So in the same way, if at all the parents like mother, father, and whoever are involving in parenting, all of them sit together and frame certain rules for the child. And in these rules, there will be few firm rules, few flexible rules. Flexible rules are alterable. They can be altered depending upon situation. But coming to fixed rules, they will be same forever. Example, we have a girl child. At late night, either girl or boy, we will not like them to send out. After 11, after 10, you are not supposed to go out. This is a firm rule. This is a fixed rule. So no changes will be done in that. But in rare condition, flexible. If someone, your sister, your father, your brother, someone is accompanying you, then you can go for even evening parties. So first we need to have certain fixed rules, certain flexible rules. And how do usually we frame this fixed rules? Basing upon our cultural values or for every house, every home, there will be certain values and belief systems. So most of our fixed rules will be basing on this, or we have certain principles for our child. Like, every day they need to do workout, or we have a feeling like, every day they need to go for some kind of sports, or these kind of rules which are meant for their healthy growth and which are meant for their security, they all can be very much fixed. But few rules, as we spoke on the very second day, how to say, when to say yes and no. For everything, if at all parent, just to prove themselves, we are very strict parents, and for everything you keep holding them. So what happens? The kid starts feeling so suffocated, and a point comes they reject every your rule. Whatever rule you say, they say we are not going to follow you. So we should not create the state for our kids. More we will be talking about this rules, regulations, yes or no in my coming up program, which I'm going to organize in next week. That is Secrets of Happy Parenting, where 1 week complete. Every day one task will be given for parents, and the 7th day I'll be taking a workshop which is of 90 minutes, and the complete program will be free of cost. Okay, friends. So as of now, the takeaways for today's session is: plan the rules. First, you, your spouse, and whoever are involving in the parenting, talk about the rules which are flexible which are firm, and make your kids sit together along with you and explain them these rules and regulations, that we are not going to spare you if at all you cross this, and these kind are acceptable in these kind of situations. Then it will be clear between you and your kids, and kids will understand that I need to just focus whatever my parents say. But if at all we catch them on every aspect, then they'll not have value for the strict rules whichever we frame. So let us be not too strict nor too loose, because kids are like, little butterflies. If at all you hold them too tight, they'll die. If at all you leave them, they'll just fly away. So let us manage this delicate task with lot of ease. Thank you, friends. See you again with another topic.